Hi guys, this is a canary boy, and I'm just starting out with my canaries. I've got two goldfinches, cocks, excuse me, and I've got a hen on around here. She's been scrapping with that dimorphic hen, which is a mother actually. And that's the yellow cock I bred this year with them. Gonna try and get some more dimorphic colours. These are the dimorphic ones, are the ones actually got red eyes. It's hard to see because it's getting dark outside now, so put the light on. These are my goldfinches. Very nice. Excuse me again, I've got a bit of a cough. It's Christmas and it's really cold. It's a cock, and then I bred that yellow one with this year. Just trying with two more coloured ends. I've got a Gloucester and another green canary down on the bottom. Not used to the camera. So I'm just starting out, so I might know the videos are crap or not, but I'm creating a canary for them on Google Plus as well if you want to join to that. So I'm just starting out. This is going to be my first video. I'm going to show you my breeding season, all the tricks my great granddad's learnt me and my granddad. They've been breeding birds. My great granddad's been over 70 years, and my granddad's been breeding for about 40. So yeah, I'll just try and make good videos for your understanding, and just have to get back to me. Thank you, bye.